Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you rub half a lemon on your stovetop. I absolutely love this cleaning hack right here. Today we're going in with, you guessed it, some good old baking soda. The acidity from the lemon and the baking soda makes a marvelous reaction. So what you want to do is just cut your lemon up and you're going to put it directly on the burnt on stuff that has been right there. Yes, you see what's happening? You're gonna put it all over your stove and let it do its magic. This is technically cleaning while you sleep. So you could do this the night before, and then when you wake up the next day, you're just gonna, I'll show you that next step here. You can scrub away. This is excellent if you want a more all-natural remedy when it comes to cleaning your stovetop. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna blot this in right here, mix it in really, really well. You know when water boils over and then you get those white stains? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And you try to wipe it away and it doesn't necessarily wipe away very well. This is gonna make your kitchen smell amazing, by the way. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna let this sit for just a little while. Let's give it about 15 minutes. Mine was not particularly bad here, and see what we're working with. All right, before we dive in and see how easily this comes off, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Sign up for the weekly newsletter, which is all things cleaning tips, tricks, and hacks. And here we go. Let's see right here. Is it gonna come up on the first go around? Ooh, that's looking shiny. That's looking real shiny. How about this spot right here? That one's been there for a few months. Oh yes, look at the difference right here. Let's go over to this one. I just have a washcloth here with some warm water. See if we can wipe all of this away. Oh, that is looking so nice. I bet I could make this burner look like brand spanking new if I had done the same thing on that one. I love this for tough grease. Speaking of grease, if you are wondering how to get the sticky stuff off of your cabinets right here, I have an easy cleaning hack for you. I will link that video in the description box below. Give this a whirl. I absolutely love it. Let us know in the comment section below if you have tried this method yourself. See you in the